Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful and charming looks ideas. It's amazing and beautiful designs of cross stitch. Many others articles of designs are latest and trending designs of cross stitch. Cross stitch are many others designs like different demanding designs of sparrows and birds related are many others popular designs like you will be amazing and perfect. The ideas are also stunning, are also amazing videos. If you guys are interested in most demanding designs, you will be a perfectly videos. It's a perfectly designs. Our latest and trending designs, our latest and beautiful videos. You will be a stunning ideas. If you guys are interesting ideas, are many designs we will be sharing with the most demanding design. Our latest and trending videos and most beautiful design. You will be also to many designs, many videos we will be keep sharing with our latest most demanding ideas, our most attractive videos, our latest trending ideas of cross stitch, many more others videos, many more attractive ideas. You will be a perfectly videos. It's a perfectly design. Our latest and trending designs, latest and beautiful videos. If you guys are interesting ideas, it's interesting videos are latest and trending, latest and beautiful and charming looks and most demanding articles of unique videos. It's unique ideas. You will be latest and trending ideas, latest and beautiful design and latest and attractive videos of cross stitch. Our cross stitch many videos we will be a most demanding attractive designs and most attractive videos. Everyone you like see many others ideas. See many others videos we will be attractive videos. If you guys are interesting ideas and most demanding and attractive videos. If you guys are interesting ideas, everyone you like see many others design and cross stitch are latest and trending videos of different decorations ideas and most demanding videos of like a printed of crochet other things are many designs of cross stitch are also available. You will be a perfective videos if you guys are interesting ideas and latest design and most demanding and charming videos are latest and trending ideas we will be keep